Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that might sound too good to be true: how to easily start building wealth. Now, I know what you're thinking: easy? Building wealth? Yeah, right. But stick with me, because I'm about to show you how simple it can be to start your journey to financial freedom. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell for the best money tips and tricks. Now, let's break down the 5 ridiculously simple steps to start building your wealth. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll realize it's way easier than you ever thought possible. Step 1: Educate yourself. First up, we're going to embrace our inner nerd, but don't worry, it's painless, I promise. The easiest way to start building wealth is to learn the basics. And no, I'm not talking about getting a finance degree. I'm talking about picking up a single book that'll change your financial life. Enter The Boglehead's Guide to Investing. This book is like the Investing for Dummies guide, but way cooler. Here are the 3 easy lessons this book hammers home. 1. Start early and invest regularly. It's like planting a money tree: the earlier you plant it, the bigger it'll grow. 2. Watch out for sneaky investment costs. They're like termites, slowly eating away at your wealth. 3. Ignore the noise. The media's always screaming about the next big thing, but you've got to be like Taylor Swift and shake it off. See? Education doesn't have to be hard. 1 book, 3 simple concepts, and you're already ahead of the game. Step 2: Start small and automate. Now, I can hear some of you saying, "But I don't have any money to invest." Well, my friend, that's where the magic of starting small comes in. And trust me, it's easier than deciding what to watch on Netflix. Here's the secret: start with whatever you can, even if it's just the cost of a fancy coffee each week. The key is to make it automatic. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a savings or investment account. It's like paying your future self first, and it's so easy you'll forget you're even doing it. Pro tip: use your bank's automatic transfer feature or an app like Acorns or Robinhood. Set it up once, and boom, you're building wealth in your sleep. It literally cannot get easier than this. Step 3: Tackle debt. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room: debt. If you're carrying high-interest debt, like credit card balances, tackling that is your first wealth-building move. And guess what? There's an easy way to do this too. Think of it like a game of Pac-Man. Your debt is the ghost, and you're Pac-Man, chomping away at it bit by bit. Start with the highest interest debt and focus all your extra cash on that while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that's gone, move to the next highest. Before you know it, game over for your debt. The easy part? Once you set up your debt repayment plan, it becomes automatic. You're building wealth by not losing money to interest. Step 4: Invest the easy way. Now, let's talk about investing. Forget all that complicated stuff you see in movies. The easiest way to invest? Slow and steady, my friends. Enter the low-cost index fund. It's like the crockpot of the investing world: set it and forget it. These funds give you a slice of the entire stock market, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Here's how easy it is. 1. Open an account with a low-cost broker like Vanguard or Fidelity. 2. Choose a broad market index fund, hint: look for ones with "total market" in the name. 3. Set up automatic investments from your bank account. 4. Sit back and let time do its thing. That's it. No need to watch the stock market like a hawk or learn complicated trading strategies. Step 5: Balance spending and saving. Now, here's where we get to the good stuff. Building wealth isn't about living on ramen noodles and never having fun. It's about creating a rich life, and that includes experiences and relationships, not just a fat bank account. The easy way to do this? Follow the spend lavishly, cut mercilessly rule. It's simpler than it sounds. 1. Figure out what you truly love. Maybe it's travel, maybe it's gourmet food, maybe it's collecting rare Pokemon cards. Hey, no judgment here. 2. Budget generously for those things. Yes, you heard me right. Budget to spend money on what you love. 3. Cut ruthlessly on everything else. Don't care about fancy cars? Great, keep driving that old reliable and redirect that cash to your passions. This way, you're not depriving yourself. You're living your best life while still building wealth. Now before you go, here are some bonus easy wealth building tips. 1. Use cashback credit cards for your regular spending. It's like getting paid to buy stuff you were going to buy anyway. Just remember to pay off the balance each month. 2. Take advantage of your employer's 401k match if they offer one. It's literally free money. You'd have to be living under a rock to pass that up. 3. Consider using a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. It's the same as a regular savings account, but pays you more. Talk about easy money. 4. Look into tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and HSAs. They're like secret weapons for building wealth, and they're easier to use than you might think. 5. Remember, time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start, the easier it is. But don't worry if you're starting late, the second best time to start is now. So there you have it, 5 ridiculously easy steps to start building wealth, plus some bonus tips for good measure. See? I told you it could be easy. Let's recap. 1. Educate yourself. 2. Start small and automate. 3. Tackle debt. 4. Invest the easy way. 5. Balance spending and saving. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Maybe this month you focus on educating yourself. Next month, set up that automatic savings. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to building serious wealth, and you'll be amazed at how easy it was to get started. Are you ready to start your easy wealth building journey? Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Start where you are, with what you have. If you found this video helpful, and easy to follow, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips and tricks. Share it with your friends who think building wealth is too hard. Let's prove them wrong. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know which easy wealth building step you're going to take this week. Are you going to pick up that book? Set up automatic savings? I want to hear from you. Until next time. Remember, building wealth doesn't have to be hard. Keep it simple, keep it consistent, and before you know it, you'll be living that rich life. Now go out there and start building that wealth, the easy way.